Do you ever feel like your paycheck disappears before you even touch it? What if I told you there's a way to legally increase your take-home pay by $600 or more without getting a second job or begging your boss for a raise? Hey everybody, it's Beth Hayes again, and today I'm going to break down one of the smartest financial moves you've never been taught in school. It's called income shifting, and I learned about it through my digital membership with MyEcon. This strategy has already helped over 100,000 people keep more of the money they earn already. I've already made a few videos talking about income shifting, but this is so important that I want to make sure you guys have this information and you understand it clearly. Okay, so let's review. Exactly what is income shifting? Well, income shifting is an IRS-approved strategy that allows employees to reduce their tax withholding through an adjustment of their W-4 form. I bet you weren't aware that most W-2 employees overpay their taxes, and they don't realize they're giving the government an interest-free loan by doing that. Income shifting helps you take that money back instantly. In fact, most people see between $500 and $800 per month added back into their take-home pay. This is not a lengthy process that takes hours to complete. It takes most people about 20 to 30 minutes to set up. So let's be clear. To give yourself this instant pay raise, you don't need a second job. There's no selling and no complicated tax strategies. Just understanding your pay and using the IRS-approved adjustments. The money's already in your paycheck. You're just not keeping it yet. Here's a real-world example for you. Let's say you earn $3,000 every 2 weeks. You're probably giving away $300 to $400 more than you need to in taxes. After income shifting, you can legally keep more of that, giving yourself an immediate raise of about $600. Over 12 months, that adds up to $7,200 or more without changing jobs or adding more hours. Now, some people have asked, is this legit? And the answer is yes. This is a 100% IRS-approved strategy that's based on adjusting your withholding allowances correctly. Thousands of people have used this: teachers, nurses, truck drivers, office workers, and many others. If you get a W-2 form from your employer each year, you are eligible to take advantage of this strategy. Now, hopefully this helps clear up some of the questions that you've had and makes things easier to understand. So now the only questions are, do you want to get a raise without having to ask your boss or get a second job? Are you ready to finally keep more of your paycheck for yourself? If so, click the link in the description down below so you can get started today, or send me a text message to my number here in this video. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content regarding income shifting or anything else MyEcon related to my channel. Here's a hint. There's going to be a lot more coming up soon. I'm looking forward to working with you. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.